over that place they call the Chicken Shack. There's fine as wine and it's really on the ball. No windows, no doors, it's just a hole in the wall. All good parts of the chicken once more is a cinch. You can even get the last part that went over the fence. Mighty careful and let's have a ball. On all you cats, you can sharp as a tack, 'cause the party's ready to start down at the Chicken Shack.